Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add link to your TikTok bio. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now tap your profile. And then as you can see here, we have options like edit profile, share profile. And as you can see here, I haven't added any link to my bio. So, what is our goal is to simply add a link to our bio, TikTok bio, so that when someone visits our profile, they will see this link bio. And if they're going to tap this one, it will take them directly to that social media platform or website. Okay, so to do that, what you want to do is to exit this TikTok application first, and let's go to our YouTube channel. So to do that, you must exit your TikTok application first and launch your YouTube application. And then here, what you're going to do is to go to your YouTube channel account, tap this three dots, click share, and then copy link. Now you can exit your YouTube, go back to your TikTok, and then click edit profile. So here you can see options like bio and social. So if you want to add this link to your bio, you could just simply paste the link here. If you want to add it to your social, you just have to click add YouTube and it will ask you for your YouTube account or your Google account. So all you have to do is just simply log in your Google account or your YouTube account, and then there you just have to click accept. So this one is you have to accept this one or give access or permission for TikTok to link to your YouTube. And like what I mentioned earlier, you could also paste it to your bio and then click save. So if you go back to your TikTok profile, or if someone visits your profile, then probably they will see your bio or link here. So if they're going to tap YouTube, for example, this one, it will take them directly to your YouTube channel. And so as if you added other social media accounts here or links. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.